Hi, how are you? My name is Sumit. I'm the founder of Keten Jewelry, which is into diamond and precious gemstones and jewelry. This business I started in 2015, and along with this, I also run Indian Institute of E-commerce. Being the chairman of Indian E-commerce, I'm your mentor and guide so that I can also teach you exact process how we can build a successful e-commerce business like how I built Keten Jewelry. My core focus in Keten Jewelry is to export Indian gems and jewelry to the international market. Diamond and diamond product is something which is an interesting topic and which people want to know that how they can get into this. But it's very easy if you know the art of building a business online, having the suppliers who have got high quality diamonds, and also having some basic idea about the diamond qualities and the cuts. And this is how you can start this diamond business. Today in this video, I'm going to share about the exact process that I'm using to export and sell high quality diamond and diamond jewelry in the international market. Follow my exact step-by-step method to build your own business. I will provide diamonds, I will provide the sales support, and I will also provide the mentorship and guidance along with the e-commerce store and the buyer's database and the contacts of suppliers. That's me. So here, this is a plug and play e-commerce business opportunity where you are simply getting a business which is having the export capability. And with the diamond and diamond jewelry business that I'm talking about, a lot of these loose diamonds and lab grown diamonds I will be providing you. Along with that, I will also provide you gems and jewelry, plus also the diamond studs with gold and silver articles I'll be providing. Everything that you are seeing right now here, these are high ticket, high value business that people want to know how they can get into. But very few people allow other people to get into it. But here with this business opportunity, you will be able to get started quickly with my plug and play ready-made business that I'm giving you. This is the plug and play ready-made business where I'm having many rings that you can see here. And apart from rings, I also have bands and loose stones. The best part of these products are you will have at least 50% profit sharing with me on the selling price. That means you can have 100% profit on the price that you are keeping in the e-commerce store. This is my e-commerce store's backend where I'm doing sales, and these are the list of products I'm selling here. And these are the analytics of last 30 days and the entire lifetime. So everything that you're seeing, I'm focusing on high ticket sales. So same way you can get started with this e-commerce store builder that I'll be giving you. You can design your e-commerce store, list the products like how you can see this is rings and necklaces and many more products are listed here. Similarly, you can also list your own e-com products in the e-commerce store builder. I will also be providing you many softwares and tools for digital marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, and many more. So that with this plug and play ready-made e-commerce store and the online mentorship program that I'm giving you, in which you will have complete understanding of e-commerce business management, digital marketing, how to export, how to sell products online at high quantity without investing in paid advertisements, how to do bulk sales of these products, how to generate trust with customers, how to make automated sales. All these things I'll be guiding you. I'll be also setting you up with the sales funnel so that the diamond products and gemstones can be sold automatically with the sales funnel. And apart from that, you'll get access of 17 certifications bundle. This entire training will be practical so that you can learn to build e-commerce store, not just in gems and jewelry or diamond, but any niche that you want to start. So me and my team will be here for lifetime access, update, and support once you're getting into this mentorship program. So with this program, Certified E-commerce Professional program, you will have access of all this content. And apart from that, you will have access of the plug and play e-commerce startup business, which you can get started with the contacts of suppliers and the international market access. I'll be guiding you with the entire step-by-step method. This is a high-ticket business opportunity. People are able to make close to 40-50 lakhs per month. Potential revenue is about 4 to 5 crores per month. So this is a business opportunity that I want you to start with IIC. So get in the store, just add the products and start selling those products in the international market. I'll teach you the digital marketing strategies so that you can engage influencers and also you can run paid advertisements effectively, even though paid advertisements are not required, because we'll be focusing more with the database of buyers internationally who are going to be the end users for you, then they can keep buying from you. The strategy is very simple. If you see these products, if I start selling them directly, nobody will going to buy me because nobody has interest in buying this rough stone. So the way to sell is having a product which is already finished. And then there are so many jewelers in the international market who want to buy and resell. That's the only thing they want to do. So I will be providing you the supply of these products, the logistic companies who can do the supply, and also the manufacturer who does this manufacturing along with the gemstone. So this plug and play e-commerce business model that I'm giving you, this comes with complimentary data of buyers and suppliers and also the ready-made e-commerce store builder with the plug and play store. and mentorship all included in the single program. So the mentorship program, which comes with lifetime access, is included in this plug and play business. So I want you to take this opportunity today, get started with a business that you can run for life. As people say, diamond is forever. E-commerce business of diamond can be forever business you will be doing. So along with the job, that whatever you are doing, you can get started with this, because your investment is only limited to the e-commerce store builder and the deal cracking that you'll be doing. The products and everything is from the supplier side. The buyer is going to pay the advance money, and then you'll be keeping your commissions and incentives to make the profitable e-commerce business. There are many companies who are raising great amount of funds in this diamond niche. For example, Kitten Jewelry is one company which I started, and we have raised good amount of funding. Similarly, if you see bluestone.com and Carrot Lane, and there are many more brands like that which are into precious jewelry, and they are doing great. I want you to get started with this plug and play business opportunity, plus the training and support will be provided. Now, to pay this amount, just click here and it will take you to the payment gateway. And here you just have to give your name, email ID, phone number, login, and you have an EMI option using credit card. It's a very simple process. You can also pay using UPI, but if you're looking for credit card option for EMI, you can click on this, select the bank that you want, click on the bank and select the amount of months, and it will show you how much you'll be paying per month. For example, if I go for 24-month EMI, I will be just paying about 4,800 rupees. That's all. If I go for a 12-month EMI, it's just 9,000 rupees. So this is such a great business opportunity which you can just get started and transform your financial life with this plug and play ready-made business opportunity of IISc. So this Kitten Jewelry business is having a lot of gold articles along with diamonds in that, starting from a very small diamond to 4 to 5 carats of diamond. And the quality of diamond, and not just diamonds, we also have colored gemstones, at the same time precious stones built on precious metals like gold, rose gold, platinum, and also silver. But the whole idea is to start up a business where you have multiple articles listed which are in trend. People who are getting recently engaged, they want to buy this in pair. There are jewelers internationally who don't want to manufacture. They just want to send us the design and we can just make it. So a custom option of making customized design also can be a great business opportunity here, where people can give us the custom design and we can do it. There are many different type of diamond related opportunities available here, but I want to focus on something which is easy to do, which is a finished product like diamond rings and pendants and bracelets, which are easy and quick to sell. So let's get started with this wonderful opportunity today, and I'll be here to help you with this business opportunity by giving you the store builder, the mentorship, the buyer's database, and also the contacts of suppliers so that you can scale your business quickly.